జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్లో మన విజ్ఞానాన్ని మరింత పెంచేందుకు టీశాట్ ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమం చేపట్టింది. పలు అంశాలపై మనకున్న తెలివితేటల్ని పరీక్షించుకోవడం, తెలియని అంశాలపై అవగాహన పెంచుకునేందుకు ఈ కార్యక్రమం రూపకల్పన చేసింది. ఈ ప్రత్యేక క్విజ్ కార్యక్రమంలో మీరు పాల్గొనాలనుకుంటున్నారా? మీ విజ్ఞానాన్ని మా ద్వారా ప్రపంచానికి పంచాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే మీ ప్రశ్నలు, మీ ఆప్షన్స్ టీశాట్ ఛానల్పై నేరుగా సంధించండి లేదా ఈమెయిల్కు పంపించగలరు. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఇండియన్ కల్చర్. Bihu is a festival that is observed in which state? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, West Bengal. Option C, Assam. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C, Assam. Bihu denotes a set of 3 different cultural festivals of Assam and celebrated by the Assamese diaspora around the world. The Bihus are the national festivals of Assam. The most important festivals of Assam are the Bihus, celebrated with fun and abundance by all Assamese people irrespective of caste, creed, religion, faith and belief. Second question is about Indian culture. Which of the following is the most famous music style of Jharkhand? Option A, Dhamsa. Option B, Mand. Option C, Mando. Option D, Khubak Eshe. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A, Dhamsa. Dhamsa is one of the rich music styles of Jharkhand. It is also the name of a musical instrument that is played with several dance performances. Along with dhol and shahnai, it is one of the accompanying musical instruments during Chau dance. Third question is about ancient Indian history. The sacred books of the Jainas are known as option A, Agama. Option B, Tripitaks. Option C, Shruti. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A, Agama. Jaina teachings were first preserved orally, but later the Jaina teachers realized that it was extremely difficult to keep memorizing the entire Jain literature. So they were collated and preserved. The sacred books of the Jainas are known as Siddhanta or Agama. Fourth question is about ancient Indian history. Which of the following founded the Nalanda University? Option A, Kumaragupta. Option B, Chandragupta II. Option C, Skandagupta. Option D, Samudragupta. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option A, Kumaragupta. Kumaragupta founded the Nalanda University, which is near the present-day Patna. He was a worshipper of Lord Kartikeya, the son of Lord Shiva. He was challenged by Pushyamitras during his reign. Fifth question is about railway. Which of the following train is also known as Train 18? Option A, Gatiman Express. Option B, Tejas Express. Option C, Vande Bharat Express. Option D, Shatabdi Express. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C, Vande Bharat Express. Vande Bharat Express is also known as Train 18. The train was designed and built by the Integral Coach Factory ICF at Perambur. Since it took 18 months to be manufactured, it was renamed to Train 18. Sixth question is about general science biology. Which among the following is involved in movement of muscles? Option A, myoglobin. Option B, myosin. Option C, mucin. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B, myosin. Myosins refers to a superfamily of motor proteins known for their roles in muscle contraction and other motility processes in eukaryotes. These proteins are basically specialized motor machines that convert the cellular free energy to mechanical work. They depend on ATPs for acting based motility. Seventh question is about Indian polity and constitution. In which year Sikkim was included in the North-Eastern Council? Option A, 1992. Option B, 1999. Option C, 2002. Option D, 2005. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C, 2002. The North-Eastern Council was set up in 1971 to deal with the problems of 7 North-East states of India. It was set up under the legislation called North Eastern Council Act 1972. The state of Sikkim has also been included in the North Eastern Council wide North Eastern Council Amendment Act 2002 notified on 23rd December 2002. Eighth question is world capital. What is the capital of Bahrain? Option A, Baku. Option B, Manama. Option C, Nassau. Option D, Vienna. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option B, Manama. Manama is the capital and largest city of Bahrain with an approximate population of 2 lakhs people as of 2020. Long and important trading center in the Persian Gulf, Manama is home to a very diverse population. After periods of Portuguese and Persian control and invasions from the ruling dynasties of Saudi Arabia and Oman, Bahrain established itself as an independent nation in 1971 after a period of British hegemony. Ninth question is about states and capitals. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Option A, Lucknow. Option B, Agartala. Option C, Dehradun. Option D, Gandhinagar. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option C, Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital of the Indian state of Uttarakhand near the Himalayan foothills. Dehradun is a treasure trove of unparalleled beauty and intriguing history. Located in the Doon Valley, this city is situated between the Song River on the east and Asan River on the west. Dehradun is best known for its pleasant and milder climatic condition throughout the year. 10th question is about cultures. Japanese art ikebana is related to which of these? Option A, sand art. Option B, tree cutting. Option C, paper folding. Option D, flower arrangements. Your time starts now. Correct answer is option D, flower arrangements. Kebana is the Japanese art of flower arrangement, also known as Kado. It developed from the Buddhist ritual of offering flowers to the spirits of the dead. It's a disciplined art form in which the arrangement is a living thing where nature and humanity are brought together.
మీ సమాధానాలను మరియు మీ అభిప్రాయాలను కామెంట్స్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. మీరు టీశాట్ నుంచి ఎటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలను వీక్షించాలని కోరుకుంటున్నారో ఈ కింది వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కు మీ సందేశాలను పంపగలరు. ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ 7337558051. tsmantvonline@gmail.com. feedback-softnet@telangana.gov.in.